Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use your Tacklife jump starter safely and effectively. First, always check that your jump starter has at least 3 indicator lights illuminated, ensuring it has enough power. Next, make sure your vehicle's ignition is completely off and the car is in park or neutral. Finally, take a moment to clean any dirt or corrosion from your car battery terminals to ensure a strong connection. Now, let's connect the cables. Begin by plugging the blue end of the smart jumper cable securely into the jump starter unit's designated interface. Then, attach the red clamp to your vehicle's positive battery terminal, which is usually marked with a plus sign. Next, connect the black clamp to the negative battery terminal, indicated by a minus sign. You should see the smart cable's indicator light turn a steady green, confirming a proper connection. With the cables correctly connected, it's time to start your vehicle. If the indicator light is a steady green, you are ready to go. If it blinks or buzzes, double-check your connections or use the boost function if your battery is extremely low. Once the green light is steady, turn your car's ignition to the start position within 30 seconds. Remember, avoid cranking the engine for more than 3 seconds at a time to protect the jump starter. Congratulations, your vehicle is running. Now, it's crucial to disconnect everything properly. First, immediately remove the jumper clamps from your car battery. Always disconnect the black negative clamp first, then the red positive clamp. Finally, unplug the smart jumper cable from the Tacklife jump starter unit. For optimal performance and longevity, if you've used the jump starter more than 3 times in a row, let it cool down for 2 minutes before further use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.